Florida.
Oh, okay. Hi, Barbara.
Do I have to repeat it? Welcome to New York. It's nice to see you and Jeffrey and Charlotte. Charlotte doesn't want to take a picture with me, so I'm going to cry.
She would take a picture.
You take a picture with me, Charlotte?
So guys, can you say hi again, because...
Okay, say hi.
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 Charlotte, can you say hi?
No.
Hi, Carrie.
Hi, everyone.
What are you chewing,
What
Charlotte?
are you guys doing?
What are you watching, Charlotte?
Do you want to talk to each other or
thought Sherry was
something? Yeah? How about you talk to each
No,
other,
I
guys?
didn't think so. I thought that she was going to see you guys
So
in
what's
City.
doing?
She is? I didn't know that.
Maybe I had the information wrong.
Alright.
Yeah, I did. I like the